If you're looking to set up Livestorm for large-scale webinars, you've come to the right place. This quick Livestorm guide will help you get everything up and running smoothly, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll be able to host professional, scalable webinars with ease. And the best part, you can start using Livestorm completely free with exclusive bonuses through the link below. Stick around till the end for some tips and a special offer that can supercharge your webinar experience. Let's dive into setting up Livestorm for large-scale webinars. First things first, sign up for your account. Once you're in, you'll be able to create a new event. When creating a webinar, start by selecting the type of event you want to host. Livestorm offers webinars, meetings, and on-demand sessions. But for large-scale webinars, you'll be selecting the webinar option. Now, setting up your webinar is super intuitive. You can choose a start time, add a title, description, and any branding like logos and colors. This is essential for making your event look professional. One key feature here is Livestorm's ability to integrate with your calendar, so you can automatically sync the webinar to your schedule, send out reminders, and keep everything streamlined. When you've created your event, you'll want to customize it for your audience. Livestorm allows you to upload a custom background and even add speaker profiles. This is great for giving your audience a personalized experience. Another pro feature for large-scale webinars is Livestorm's ability to manage multiple speakers. You can add them to your event, assign roles, and let them prepare their content ahead of time. Now, let's talk about registration. Livestorm makes it easy for people to sign up for your webinar through a simple registration page. You can customize this page to collect the information you need, whether it's basic details or more advanced questions. This also allows you to segment your audience and tailor your content for different groups, which is a huge win for large-scale events. Once your audience is registered, it's time to set up your webinar room. This is where you'll manage everything live. Livestorm lets you share your screen, present slides, or even host a panel discussion. For large-scale events, one of the best features is the automatic Q&A and chat management, which helps you filter questions, highlight important ones, and maintain engagement without feeling overwhelmed. Livestorm's integrations with tools like HubSpot, Zapier, and Google Analytics make it even easier to track your webinar's performance. You can track registrations, attendance, and audience interaction. These insights are crucial if you're looking to improve your webinars over time and reach larger audiences. But here's the big kicker. Livestorm doesn't require downloads or installations. Your attendees can join directly through their browsers, making it super easy to scale your webinars without worrying about technical issues. Before you go live, you'll want to test everything. Livestorm offers a rehearsal feature that lets you run through your webinar and iron out any kinks. You can invite speakers or even a test audience to make sure everything looks and works as it should. When you're ready to launch your webinar, Livestorm has excellent analytics. After your event, you'll get a detailed report on things like attendance rates, engagement, and audience feedback. This data will help you refine your webinars and make your next event even better. And now, here's the exclusive part. If you're new to Livestorm, you can sign up for a free trial using the link below. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any free trial. We've partnered with Livestorm to give you an extended trial with exclusive bonuses so you can try all these features without the usual limits. So, if you're serious about hosting large-scale webinars, Livestorm is a powerful tool to consider. Whether you're just starting out or you're already hosting big events, Livestorm has everything you need to make your webinars a success. Just head to the link in the description to claim your free trial and bonuses today.